Hi everyone, welcome to August's video on the Simister Island rebuild scheme. Some work is taking place on the main carriageways, but the vast majority of the work at the moment is alongside the motorways, establishing the site compounds. For the vast majority of the time on the scheme, there are going to be 3 compounds in use, so we're going to be having a look at the main one up at junction 19 of the M62, and there's going to be one either side of Simister Island. We'll also have a look at what work is actually taking place on the main carriageways. The main compound was originally going to be off Mold Hill Lane, but National Highways have secured planning permission to relocate it up to junction 19 of the M62. This compound up at junction 19, I think it's been part of National Highways for a while, and I think it was actually used for the Castleton Railway Bridge replacement back in 2024, which is a project I did cover. If you want to have a quick look at that video, have a click in the top right hand corner, and now don't judge me on that one. I wasn't as used to YouTube as I am now. Like I said, there is going to be a couple of compounds at the side of Simister, but having this main compound up at junction 19 will mean there's a lot less residents directly affected than if the main compound was down at Simister. Back down to Simister Island, and you'd have seen in last month's video that the compound on the northeast quadrant has been established, and it's got that direct access off the M66. Going across the M66, this is the M60 in the top of the screen there. This is the compound on what National Highways call the northwest quadrant. These smaller compounds are going to support the workers by providing space for welfare facilities, material storage and essential construction operations. As you can see there, access to these quadrants have now been installed directly from the motorway and the slip roads. This will also allow space for the modular components of the bridge over the M66 to be built. That's going to be built either side of the M66 in each of these compounds when it's delivered to site. At the time of filming, the only work I could see taking place on the main carriageways was this on the M66. This is looking south towards Middleton, and it looks like they're removing the central barrier on this section of the motorway. In the comments on my last video, a lot of viewers mentioned the traffic that the scheme is causing, especially going anti-clockwise. This is looking from junction 19 towards 17. I think the biggest issue here is as you're climbing up onto the M60, goes from 3 lanes into 1. And at the time of filming, this was pretty late on in the evening, it was actually backing up towards Middleton, and I've noticed on maps it's even worse earlier on in the day. If you travelled through Simister regular and it is affecting your journey, please leave it in the comments for me, please. All because it does help other people to know what the traffic is like at certain times of the day. Thanks for watching on this one, everybody. If you can check out the playlist, like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I will catch you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.